next day now. We came in a bit early. It's 2 p.m. right now, and this is what it looks like in the Ultra passport line. It started to rain. I think it's just like an hour, but this is like the thick of it, the rain. Not too bad, but I don't know if you can see it, but
got a little bit wet.
Yeah, a bit wet. But this is the Oasis stage right by the passport entrance.
Going tonight?
There's covering. So we got our passes, guys. We decided to do Axwell for the passport platinum. We get one set above this stage here, the sky deck. And actually we saw the list and it was very limited. Like for Axwell they only had 2 tickets, so we were really lucky to get here early and then get the only 2 tickets. And then actually for the like sets after Axwell there was no tickets at all. They said 0 for like Anima and Skrillex.
Already some people come right at 12? We're
But it said 0
late.
already.
Yeah.
It already said 0.
We're here at 2:25, so pretty early.
If you have it, you should come early. We're lucky to get it. These are the only 2. Hey guys, quick look at our outfit today. So today, our most anticipated set is Axwell, who's part of the Swedish House Mafia. So let me show you what Linda's wearing. Mafia shirt, and then the front has nothing. Here, let me show you mine.
Here's Williams.
A hat. And then so this is what the lunchbox water spout looks like. It's right now it's closed, and then to open it, you just switch this up. And then close it up to prevent any water from spilling. And then there's a little clip here. $15, by the way. It really sucks because you can buy these for under $3 at the supermarket, but that's what it is in here. Hey guys, so we're just kind of hanging out by the main stage again. Here's what the stage looks like from our view. We just finished Frank Walker, who's more progressive house songs. I don't know who's starting now, but we're gonna check out the mega structure next. But we just got a drink here. This is the White Claw thing again. But there's 4 seats here. But it's a pretty good view actually. Like you can see the main stage partially and you can hear the main stage music. Just to show you how the food is inside. This is a chicken tender plate with french fries and it costs us $20. We haven't tried it yet, so but I think it's gonna be tasting like a normal chicken tender. But $20 is pretty average for inside a festival. Here's the place. Why don't you try it to see how it goes? It's good? Okay. So,
expensive, but good.
I mean, that's the price you're gonna get in the festival. So, in America, $20 is average now. But as a comparison, a slice of pizza is $12, so we opted for this.
Who's ready to dream that little dream with me, Ultra Miami? Let me see some hands up, come on!
Okay, we're not sponsored by White Claw, but we're back at their cart again. We just finished Martin, then Armin, and then Anima, back-to-back Soliman. They're still going on right now. We came out because we're gonna get ready to go to the sky deck. We're gonna try to get in for Axwell. So a quick break. It's really busy now. The restrooms are really longer if you're a girl, but it was long for me too. It took me like 10 minutes. Okay, we'll show you the view from the sky deck next.
I love you. All of our partners are here today. Joe Basics here. See Don Juan up there. Love you guys, man. Love you guys. We are living a blessed life because it's all about the music. It's all about the love.
It's really all about you guys. Without your support, we'd be nothing. Thank you. Seriously, thank you. Give yourselves a round of applause right now. Come on. Mission Ultra. Big shout out to Mission Ultra. All the effort they did cleaning this park up. But right now, it's time to get on with the music. Are you ready?
Welcome one of the biggest names in dance music history. Say hello to Axwell.
Alright guys, this is the view from the sky So I just want to show you guys, but I think we're backstage now. There's the stage. Skrillex. Here's a fountain. It just started working this year. Okay, our battery might run out soon, so I think we're gonna try to catch the Cove Afterlife artist, and then maybe that's it for tonight. But let's see if there's any more after this.
We're back at Bar Taco. We have a little bit more time today because we're not planning to get in until a bit later, maybe around 4. So we came out to Bar Taco and we just got some margaritas and we're waiting on our tacos. So our plan for today is to hang out here for a bit, eat some tacos and drink some margaritas, then head back to our hotel and maybe get some drinks from Whole Foods and hang out until we go inside.
So we found this place last year. Here's a look at the restaurant, bar. It has a lot of different tacos and the margaritas are really good. So we just came back here. It was about 15 or 20 minute ride from our hotel. But yeah, just gonna hang out a bit and then head in a bit later today. Here's a look at the tacos. What's that one?
Sesame ribeye.
Ribeye and then
fish.
Not too big, but it's kind of like 2 or 3 bites. Two big bites or 3 normal bites.
So we've just been hanging out in here, enjoying our little oasis inside, and it's raining outside.
It just started randomly. It's just like
we weren't expecting it.
how Miami weather is, like a tropical weather, just a downpour all of a sudden.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it's gonna end in a few minutes.
Yeah, hopefully it'll end before we go outside. But right now we're still safely inside. We got our second margaritas. All right, we'll check back in later. So one cool thing is you can get the margaritas to go. They actually improved the form factor. It used to be a little pouch. Now it's like this cool cup. So we got one to go. We ordered the lift and we're gonna head back to our hotel now. How is it?
Really good. So mezcal drink.
Yeah, we tried, they have like a pineapple one, so should be good. All right.
Hey guys, we're back at our room after Bar Taco, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's raining pretty hard out there. We heard some thunder. We're just gonna wait it out. Our plan already was gonna just hang out at the hotel, but I think we're heading around 4 p.m. So we're not in Ultra yet. It's actually past 4 p.m. and it's still raining, but we're gonna leave right now and see how it is. Apparently it should stop raining by 5. That's when Cascade starts, but you never know with this Miami weather. Okay guys, this is just outside the hotel. There's real puddles here. It's actually wet, so if there's puddles here, I don't know what to expect when we get inside. Quick outfit check. Linda is wearing the Above and Beyond hat we got from Group Therapy not Group Therapy, yeah, Group Therapy from the Gorge. And it is a reversible cap. There it is. Her shirt is a Cascade Miami shirt. Actually, I bought this back in 2014, 10 years ago, over 10 years ago. I brought this just in case that he was going to be the special guest. Alright, we made it in. It's still very wet. There's like people waiting in the water. And then the screen looks like it's not working right now. Linda changed her shirt to Above and Beyond to match her hat.
Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more, subscribe to our channel. Thanks everyone!